Chicken and mushroom pot pie recipe. This hearty chicken and mushroom pot pie is the ultimate comfort food. Tender chicken, earthy mushrooms, and creamy sauce are baked under a flaky puff pastry crust. Perfect for family dinners or cozy weekends. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons oil, 1 onion finely chopped, 400 g chicken thighs diced, 1 leek sliced, 300 g mushrooms sliced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon chili flakes, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons flour, a quarter teaspoon nutmeg, 1 cup chicken stock, 1 cup milk, 200 milliliters double cream, 1 sheet puff pastry, 1 egg for egg wash. Method: sauté the onions. Heat oil in a pan and cook the onions for about 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Cook the chicken. Add the chicken pieces along with salt, pepper, paprika, chili flakes, red chili, and garlic. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken starts to brown. Add the flour, sprinkle in the flour, and stir well. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes to remove the raw flour taste. Add vegetables. Stir in the leeks and mushrooms. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Make the sauce. Gradually whisk in the chicken stock, then add the milk. Let it simmer on low-medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until smooth. Add cream and thicken. Pour in the double cream and cook until the sauce thickens. Remove from heat. Assemble the pie. Transfer the mixture to an oven-safe dish. Cover with puff pastry, either a full sheet or cut into squares. Avoid overlapping too much so it cooks evenly. Egg wash and bake. Brush the pastry with beaten egg. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the pastry is golden brown and crispy. Serve and enjoy. Let it cool slightly before serving. Best enjoyed warm with a side salad or mashed potatoes. Pro tips. Keep pastry extra flaky. Chill your puff pastry in the fridge until the moment you place it on top of the pie. Cold pastry puffs up much better in the oven. Boost the flavor. Add a splash of white wine to the sauce after cooking the chicken for a richer, restaurant-style taste.